The reason why I wanted Christian unity was twofold. One, I did see it mandated in the scriptures. I see St. Paul's not just saying Jesus is enough, or if we could all just agree on Jesus, but St. Paul commands us to agree on everything in the Lord. Of course, in John 17, and that's the one that really grabbed me. Sometimes you have those scriptures that you just park on for a few days or a few weeks, trying to digest it. And John 17, where Jesus prays, "May they be one as you are in me and I am in you." So Jesus doesn't just say, "May they be one as we are one," but may they be one in such a way as you are in me, I'm in you. We're to be in each other, where there's no distinction. It's just this absolute unity. So when I saw that, I was like, boy, in order to follow Christ and to be His church, we had better be doing this. But I didn't see how that was possible. It was like, this is impossible. But I think, too, because of the generation I grew up in. So I'm a Gen Xer. So I'm in this generation that's the product of the baby boomer generation. So we saw, our parents in their wars, and we saw our parents and their divorces, and we saw this stuff, and we're like, this doesn't work. We want a world of peace and unity. So it's also driven into generationally, we don't want this faction stuff anymore. We want unity, but of course then you see Jesus saying, of all the things He could have prayed for a million things before going back to heaven, but the thing He prayed for is unity in the church. Well, that must be high on His priority list. And of course, because the Trinity is an absolute unity, then the church that is birthed out of the Trinity should be that same unity.